Rajasthan Royals and Kolkata Knight Riders have been fierce rivals over the years. Rajasthan has been undefeated this season so far, and Kolkata are looking to continue being on winning tracks. Out of the 21 games played between the two teams, both the teams have won 10 games each and will be looking to gain the head to head advantage. Here are our Fantasy 11 picks for this match. Joss Butler. The explosive English opener Joss Butler has the skills to demolish bowling attacks on his day. His career strike rate of over 150 shows how destructive he can be at the top of the order and in the power play. This makes him our first pick of this match. Sanju Samson. The youngster Sanju Samson has been in tremendous form. He played two match-winning knocks in the last two games for Rajasthan. He looks to be in great form and has won two Man of the Match awards leading into this game. He will be a player to watch out for as he can play long innings and take the game home with ease. Eoin Morgan. Eoin Morgan has the potential to play the knock of a finisher. He is unstoppable on his best days, and we believe that he will play a massive role in KKR's victory in this game. He thus gets the third spot in R11. Shubman Gill. The youngster Shubman Gill has been a promising player. His stroke play is elegant and can score runs very quickly. He can prove to be a match winner, and as an opener, he has what it takes to score big. He will be a player to watch out for in this game. Steve Smith. Steve Smith has been in wonderful form in this season. He is striking the ball very well and he can soak up pressure equally well. His ability to play crucial knocks under pressure and be a match winner makes him our fifth pick and also the captain of R11. Sunil Narayan. Sunil Narayan is one of the best all-rounders in T20 cricket. His explosive strike rate at the top of the order and his ability to contain runs and take wickets when the team requires it the most makes him a formidable player. This also makes him the vice captain of R11. Nitesh Rana. Nitesh Rana, the Indian youngster, has grown into a formidable middle order maverick for Kolkata Knight Riders. He is not afraid of taking on any bowler and he has all the shots in the book which make him a dangerous batsman to bowl to. He thus earns the 7th spot in R11. Shivam Mavi. Shivam Mavi has shown a glimpse of his potential in the previous match. His performance in the previous games looked promising and it seems that he will continue to impress people and make greater impacts on the game as the tournament progresses. He thus earns the 8th spot in R11. Varun Chakravarti. The leggy Varun Chakravarti is very promising. With the pitches slowing down as the tournament progresses, the leg spinner will play a massive role in containing and picking up crucial wickets in the games for his team. This makes him the 9th pick of R11. Tom Curran. The Rajasthan bowler Tom Curran has been in sublime form. He has taken 8 wickets in just 7 games and has played a big role in Rajasthan Royals' win in the previous 2 games. He will also be a player to watch out for with his pace variations. This makes him our 10th pick. Jofra Archer. Jofra Archer is the best bowler on the side of Rajasthan and certainly one of the best bowlers in IPL this year. His death bowling is just too good. His fast Yorkers and his slower short balls are a threat to even the best of the batsmen in the game. Archer can also slog the ball a long way every now and then. This ability of his makes him our final pick. These are the 11 players who we think will be the ones to watch out for in this match. Who do you think will be the most crucial player for their team? Let us know down below.